How to replace the battery of 3 Mercedes Benz keys. Let's see how to disassemble the first one first. Remove the mechanical key first. Press against this position, and the cover will lift. Load the 2025 battery. Insert the front end raised position. Press the back end lid directly. Insert the mechanical key. The replacement of this key battery is completed. The second key. Remove the mechanical key. The lid is pushed forward. Press this button, slide forward. Open the cover. Remove the battery compartment. This key contains a 2032 battery. This side up. Positive and negative electrodes are indicated here. Just insert it back. Place the cover on top. Push it back. Okay, it's closed. Put the mechanical key back. The replacement is done. The third key. Also remove the mechanical key first. Then insert the key into this position. Slightly lift it up. The cover will open. Open the battery compartment cover. The battery cover indicates that the 2032 battery is loaded. Load the battery. Then the front end raised position is inserted on the side. Press down. There are 2 small feet in front. Insert them here. Press down behind the lid. Insert the mechanical key. The battery replacement of 3 keys is completed.